Hi everyone, so this is my second video for algebra and it, it is for grade 6 and 7th. So in this video I am going to talk about some of the basics of algebra. So let's start. We will start with the algebraic expression. In the last video you have made some algebraic expressions from the verbal expressions. So what is an algebraic expression? It is nothing but a combination of variables, numbers and one or more arithmetic operations. What are arithmetic operations beta? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are our basic arithmetic operations. So here are some examples. Suppose 20y plus m, right? So here we have one arithmetic operation. What is that operation? इधर पे मल्टीप्लाई है, इधर पे प्लस है ना? S minus t plus u minus 8. So can you see that in all these 3 or 4 examples, we have some numbers, we have some variables and they are connected to each other with plus minus sign and some arithmetic operations. What are the terms of an algebraic expression? So each part of an algebraic expression along with the plus and minus sign means whatever sign is there in front of that particular term or in particular part, you can say अभी आपको terms नहीं पता है तो आप parts बोल सकते हो. For example here, it is 9x, right? So if no sign is there, we will consider plus. 6y, you will consider plus 6y. This is plus z. This is minus t, minus 8, plus u, plus s. So whatever sign is there in front, you have to consider that sign also. Okay? So each part of an algebraic expression along with the plus and minus sign is known as the term of the expression. अब ये terms क्या क्या हो सकती हैं? ये terms हो सकती हैं simply एक variable भी हो सकता है. For example, I can write it as x square, I can write as y, I can write as z, u, v, etc. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अ नंबर एंड वेरिएबल. तो टर्म्स पहला मैंने आपको बोला कि वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं. इट मे बी अ नंबर एंड अ वेरिएबल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 इज अ नंबर, एक्स स्क्वायर इज अ वेरिएबल, 7 इज अ नंबर, z, y इज अ वेरिएबल. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो टर्म. थर्ड क्या हो सकते हैं? ये हुआ फर्स्ट, ये हुआ सेकेंड, ये हुआ थर्ड. Division involving numbers and variables. Division 7x upon 2. This is also a term. A combination of multiplication and division of a number. X, y, z divided by 5. This is also a term. Fine. So I have an example over here of term z minus 5x square plus z by 2 plus xz upon 3 minus 8. So what is this? It is an algebraic expression. Can you see that यहाँ पर this is a term, this is a term, this is a term, term, term. There are 5 terms. How many terms are there? 5 terms. And all these are connected with plus or minus sign. What is a constant term? If a term in an algebraic expression does not involve any variable, अगर कोई भी variable नहीं है, so that is called a constant term. For example, in this previous question, previous जो मैंने example दिया था, this one, 8 is a term which is not having any variable, simply a constant. तो ये क्या हुई मेरी बेटा? This is a constant term. For example, 6x square plus 5y minus 9. So 9 क्या है यहाँ पर? Minus 9 is a constant term. Identify the constant term in the following. एक question ले लेते हैं. अब आप easily identify कर सकते हो कि which are the constant terms. So you can pause the video. You can identify the constant term and then again you can match your answer. है ना? So I am going to discuss the answers now. Here minus 8, you have to consider the sign also. constant term is minus 18. Here 0, no constant term is there. Here plus 52 and here plus 12. So these are the constant terms. है ना? I hope everything is clear till now. If you don't understand anything, please put it in the comment box. Factors. Now what are the factors of a term? Factors means a term of an algebraic expression can be written as a product of one or more variables and numbers. Definition थोड़ी सी पढ़ने में अजीब लग रही होगी, चलो कोई नहीं, एक बार करते हैं तो समझ में आएगा. देखो 5x square minus 8yz. So here we are having two terms, 5x square comma minus 8yz. ठीक? So these are the terms. And if I talk about the factors of the term, so here factors are 5 comma x comma x. And here factors are minus 1. 8 can be written as 2 comma 2 comma 2, y and z. So these all are the factors. ये जो मैंने second row में लिखे हैं, these are the factors of the expression. ठीक है. Let's take some examples. Write all the terms and factors of the algebraic expressions. मुझे terms भी लिखने हैं और factors भी लिखने हैं. So first I write terms. Minus 9 upon 7 xy square z comma 3x comma minus 1 upon 2 yz comma m by 2 comma minus 11. But you have to take the sign also. Now what are the factors? Factors of the terms. Very simple. Minus 9 upon 7 comma x comma y comma y comma z. Correct. For the second one it is 3 comma x. For the third one it is minus 1 comma 1 by 2 comma y comma z. These are the factors. Here it is m and 1 upon 2, and in the last one it is, you can say, minus 1 comma 11. Wherever you are having minus sign, that has been separated with a minus 1. Next is, now if you have understood, you can pause the video and after some time you can match your answers, right? So pause the video, try to solve it on your own. कुछ doubts है, कुछ difficulties हैं तो बताओ. Terms are 6x and 5y square and factors are 6. Prime factors will be 2 and 3 and x. Here 5 comma y comma y. 1 is a factor of every term, but we don't mention here unless or until बोला जाए कि 1 भी लिखो. Terms are minus 5p q cube and 6p square q square. Factors minus 1 comma 5 comma p comma q q and q, because q to the power 3. This one 6 can be written as 2 comma 3 p comma p q comma q. Next, terms are minus xy, 5x square and minus 9z cube. You have to take sign, don't forget the sign beta. And the factors are minus 1 xy, here 5 comma x comma x, minus 1 3 comma 3 z z z. One more example. Terms are 11 upon 9 x square, no, it is cube, x cube y cube minus 16 p to the power 4 and q. Factors 11 upon 9 x comma x comma x y comma y comma y for this first term, and for the second term you can write it as minus 1 prime factors of 16. Simply 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. You must have done it earlier in the previous classes. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 p 4 times and then q. Last question. Terms are 2.3 ab minus 5.2 b and a square, and factors are 2.3 comma a comma b minus 5.2 comma b, and for this one it is a comma a. I hope it is quite clear to you. The next concept which we have to do is the coefficient. So in a term, any factor or a group of factor by which the remaining factors are multiplied is called the coefficient. So let's take an example. For example, I have 6yz. So coefficient of yz, just hide yz. yz को आप अगर hide कर देते हो तो you are left with only 6. So coefficient of yz is 6. Coefficient of y, just hide y. What is left? 6z. ठीक है? Coefficient of 6z, hide 6z from 6yz. 6yz में से अगर आप 6z को हाइड कर देते हो तो you get only y. ठीक है? One more. चाहिए 6 जो है ना, it is called the numerical coefficient also. Coefficient of z, hide z, you are left with 6y. Fine. When a variable is written without a numerical value, its coefficient is taken as 1. For example, I write x square y z. No number is there, so I will always consider 1. So what is the numerical coefficient? 1. If any term is not having any number with it, so we will consider 1. Fine. Let's do one question. So और भी concept हमारा clear हो जाएगा. Write the numerical coefficient of all the terms. They are asking only numerical coefficient, so we have to take the sign along with it. ठीक है? First one minus 21. Second one 3 comma minus 5. Third term 1 plus 2 minus 6. Then 0.02 comma 0.2 comma 0.6. These are the numerical coefficients of various terms. Then we have 10 comma minus 3 comma 1. One more question. Write the coefficient of y in 17y. So just hide y. So you are left with 17. Second one, y square in this. So पहले तो y square का term, you will search the term. This is y square. If you hide y square, you are left with minus 7x. That's your answer. X in this. So the term with x is this. So what is the coefficient? Plus p. P in this one. This is the term with p. So answer will be minus 7 upon 5 r square. M square in this. Plus 7. b in minus 14b. The answer is minus 14. So numerical coefficient and coefficients are clear, I suppose. Like and unlike terms. So like terms in an algebraic expression, what are the like terms? If they are having the same literal factor, मतलब जो भी हमारा variable part है अगर वो same है, so they are known as like terms. For example, 5x, 6x, 17x, these all are like terms because the variable part is same. 7x square y and 7 इसको 8 कर लो, 8yx square. Can you see that x to the power 2 here, x to the power 2 here, y here, y here. So order can be changed, right? x square y and yx square, मैंने order change कर दिया है. These two are like terms. So order can be changed, but raised to the power 2 should be constant, correct? मतलब x to the power 2, यहाँ पर अगर मैं x to the power 3 कर दूँगी तो it will be wrong. x to the power 2 ही होना चाहिए. So whatever the variable is that, उसका power same होना चाहिए. The power of the variable should be same, but order can be changed. Unlike terms, if literal part is not same, for example 7xyz, 8xy square z, variable part is not same. X to the power 1, x to the power 1, y to the power 1, but here y to the power 2 is there. So it is not a like term, it is an unlike term. You have to identify the like terms in the following: x square y minus 3xy square 5x square y. चलो आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं like terms को. x square y and 5x square y. Can you see the variable part is same? So they are like. On the other hand, minus 3xy square and xy square, these two are like terms. Fine. You can pause the video and identify the like terms in the remaining. So pause करो and try to identify 2xy, xy, and minus 3x square and 4x square. Here 9x square, no other term is there with the same. Okay. So 5y square and these two are like, and these two are like. Q square p. Okay. Q square p, Q square p. And this is also Q square p. So these three are like. Here L square, these two are like, and 3m square, and this is also m square, right? So can you see that key? Whatever the variable part is, the variable part same, then they are the like terms, otherwise they are unlike terms. This like term and unlike term is very important because addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, or you can say the operations of the algebraic expression, depends on the like terms. If you are able to identify the like terms, then your problem is sorted. So fine. So in today's video, algebra part 2, I discussed about some of the basic terms of algebra which you should know, and in part 3 I will be discussing degree of the polynomial plus types of the polynomial. Okay, so if you have any problem, anything you want to discuss, just put it in the comment section. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक करिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिए. एंड अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ और टॉपिक से रिलेटेड वीडियो आपको चाहिए और कोई कंसेप्ट जिसको आप समझना चाहते हो, सो पुट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.